Trash talk!
What's up, y'all? I am back with another video. Sorry, my voice is a little gone. I have a cold. I got hookah and I shouldn't be doing it, but I'ma do it anyway. But as you guys can see, I have a huge box right here. As you can see from the title, this is in addition to my Rick Owens collection. This fucking shoe has actually been driving me insane because it took me forever to try to get it. It went in stock. I ordered it, they canceled my order because it went out of stock. It came back in stock. I tried to drive home and walk up the stairs to go buy it. And it went out of stock, and then that came back in stock, and then I just had to buy it.
Give it to me now!
So, here it is. The box is huge. That's your hint already. Let's go ahead and try to dive in. I'ma make it dive in. Oh, I also got an Essentials outfit. By the way, best packaging on earth. Period. Let's go ahead and get it. Oh my god, this box is ridiculous. Fucking ridiculous. And it's kind of broke. Oh. Look at how big it is. I ain't hear that in a long time. As you can see, it is a pair of Drkshdws. I wonder if you guys could guess which ones I got. These are my first ever pair of Rick Owens I got. These are the Geo Baskets. And it says it's milk color, which is like blue. They're kind of raggedy, but I like that look for them. These are my Geo Baskets. Love, love, love these. These are my first pair of Rick Owens. Then we have my second pair of Rick Owens, which I love these. These make me feel so tall. They're just so pretty and nice, and I love the big chunky shoelaces in them. I try my best not to wear them, but I also really love to wear them because they make me super tall. Now we're gonna get to, I'm sure, are gonna be my new favorites and my new babies. How you open this box? Oh, okay. Backwards. Are y'all ready? Oh shit. These motherfuckers are hard. Get the fuck down. Bad bitch coming through with Rick Owens. Pussy ass. I'm just kidding. But yes, these are them. What I like about them is that, one, it has these adjustable things up top. How freaking cool. Check the detail. Two, I probably can wear jeans over these and wear them as regular Rick Owens. So it's almost like a 2-for-1 shoe, except hopefully this fits inside and under some jeans. It has that same Drkshdw traditional Rick Owens bottom. It says Drkshdw in the shoe right here. I'm just so excited. Ooh, can I try? I want to try these on. Oh my god, I could barely even get my hand down here. Let's try them on. Oh my god, y'all, I could barely get my fucking ankle linked up now. I gotta take my sock off. My calf! My calf is so huge, y'all. Oh my god, my calves are so huge. It could barely fit on my calf. Okay, so I'm gonna have to scrunch them down, which I did see on YouTube someone scrunched them down, so I'm gonna have to scrunch these down. Hold on. That's why they are made out of this material. What the fuck are they made of? Wait. My calf is... Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, so these are definitely one of the most interesting shoes to put on. But again, this scrunches, this material here, so it makes for, oh, backwards. It's a very sexy shoe. It's like the equivalent to a male shark boot. The Givenchy shark boot. That's what these are, but the male version. I like them. I wish they had more colors. I probably would suggest going a size up if you have strong calves or big calf muscles like me, because this was a struggle. But once they're in there, they fit perfectly. I actually got a little bit of room when I'm in there, so that's kind of hard. I got a 40, but I probably needed a 39 shoe, but a 41 calf. I don't know. These 3 buttons up here are sending me. I love it. I can't even get to the 3rd button. I'm on the 1st button because my calves are so strong. But yeah, these are my new Rickies. They're not the leather ones, so it's not like Gunna, but I could be Gunna and Rihanna's little cousin. Hello. And as always, guys, of course, you got your Drkshdw authentication card, and it comes with the dust bag, which I'm a little confused because this is the same size as my other dust bag, and I don't think these shoes are, well, they can fit in there because they fold up. It makes sense. Totally makes sense. But I ain't gonna have y'all hanging too long. Go ahead, finish watching this video. As you can see how I style these with my little jacket and my outfit and stuff like that. And yeah, as always guys, if this is your first time here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you guys know about it. And yeah, as always, until next time, I'm out.